If you own a Tesla Model 3 and you don't currently have a wireless charger in your car, stop what you're doing, click the link in the description and order one. You can thank me later. I've had the Nomad wireless charger for the past week and I absolutely love it. Forget a window tint or aero wheel caps, a wireless charger should definitely be the first accessory you buy. The Nomad wireless charger I have is definitely on the premium end. It comes in at around $130. You'll get the wireless charger itself and two USB splitters that allow you to continue using USB sticks in the car for Sentry mode or audio files. Everything looks and feels like it came from the manufacturer, which is definitely something you want. Installation is also a breeze. The status LEDs are super useful, letting you know when a device is charged. The material is extra grippy, preventing phones from sliding around when you're driving. You can't really ask for more. As a charger, I don't really have complaints either. Sure, it might not be as fast as if you were plugged in at home to a 12-watt charger, but the advertised 7.5-watt charging keeps my devices charged, even under use. For instance, I like having Waze running in the background while I drive, and have not had any issues with battery drain. So as long as your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android, has wireless charging, this charger should work for you. But this is definitely more expensive than just having the standard cables, so there are cheaper options on Amazon. I'll link some of those down in the description. One quick thing to note when installing this charger, you want to make sure you're plugging in the USB cable from the wireless charger into the splitter end without the little plastic ring around it. It's a hidden instruction I found in an online manual. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I have a few other accessories coming in, like a matte screen protector, which protects your display and also minimizes reflections and fingerprints. If you want to make sure you don't miss that, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.